welcome back. What we're going to do now is show you how to pick up NFTs on Magic Eden. So again, that is magiceden.io. Feel free to use the workbook. You always want to double, triple check everything, especially if you're going to be spending a lot. So what we're going to do is focus our attention on the buying and the selling. So again, connect your wallet with the top right. We are going to use our Phantom wallet. I do have a little bit in there, and we're going to focus on how to pick up a cheap NFT in this one. So let's go to Phantom, and you want to assess what you have. As you can see here, we only have $15 worth, but that's more than fine. With cryptocurrencies, they are also divisible. And with Solana, we have fast transactions, and we can just spend a little bit and get a lot out of this blockchain. Let's check out projects that we can afford, and we want to toggle and make sure that we are under Solana. So if you're under Ethereum, make sure you are under Solana, hit refresh and connect your wallet. Make sure everything's looking good there. Okay, so we're going to go to popular collections. And again, research all these projects. Feel free to use that workbook. We've got worksheets for you as well. Because we're on a tight budget, we're going to go to filters and then go to floor price. And we're going to bring this down to 1 SOL. Okay, and then show results. So now we can see what we can actually afford. And again, the transaction costs are quite cheap. So Cyber Guy, let's check that one out. I kind of like this. I think these look kind of cool. Was it 0.4? And I typically like to look at the activity and know more about the project. But again, I don't mind picking something up for educational purposes anyways. It's kind of fun. So it looks like supply, there's not that many, which is really cool. And they're pretty cheap. So I think that's pretty cheap. You've also got offers. So really cool. So we'll keep that in mind. We'll see what else there is. So again, filters should be set. So we also have the bear dude. I don't know about that. Yeah, I don't like that. I do like good aesthetics as well. So it's got to look good. It's got to be cool. Drip, the faceless. So what is this? These are very cheap, but again, I don't think they look very good. So you want to pick up something that you like. What else do we got here? We got fruits. And what is doing good on the week? Based on the week, we have these blasters doing well. So these could be an asset for a game. Again, you want to check out the website, see what they have going on. So these look kind of cool. Perhaps we could pick up one of these. You know, just hoping it would go up. The past 30 days, let's see what's happening here. And it helps, the more that you research, the more you know what you should be getting into. So Cyber Guy, it looks like these have the potential. Pepe, of course, the meme coin, right? These are up really good on the week. All right, let's buy one of these. And again, I recommend doing a lot more research. I'm just going to go with something, a little gut instinct. First, I'm going to make sure that the website's decent. And again, this is for educational purposes. So vet the project. So it looks like maybe you can stake it. Supply 5,500. So it just minted as well. But these do look kind of cool. So I don't mind spending a couple bucks on these. So we're going to buy a floor one. Let's see which one I should go with. And again, these are fun, and you don't really know NFTs until you pick one up for yourself. So these are around the same price. Floor. Let's just pick up the floor one. So we're going to click on it. Buy now. And the network fee is 0.00017 SOL. Very, very cheap. All right, so we just picked up 2 of these NFTs. I figured why not just use up what I have in the wallet. So now if we go to Solana, you can see that we've got 2 NFTs here. And if we go to my items, you can see our NFTs right here. And if you want to sell them, you can list them just like this as well. So we bought this for 0.272. And if we want, we could list it for a little bit more. Personally, I'm going to keep the purple one. I think it's worth a little bit more. So we're going to go here and list now. So here we're going to go to list and we're going to put in the amount. Let's do 2.5 SOL. Submit listing. And the fee is very, very cheap. So we're definitely draining our wallet, but that's okay. The fees are pretty low. Okay, so now when we go to our wallet, we can see listed 1 SOL Rhinos Club. And if we hit it with a quick refresh, very simple, very easy to do. So my items, you can see that we have 1 listed for 2.7 and we have 1 that we own. Now we can toggle between portfolio, our offers, which we will get in the future, as well as activity. And we can go back to the project, and I assume that the floor will continue to go up. So what we could do as well is buy up 5, 10, 20 of these, and now the floor price is much higher. So you could buy one for 0.3, sell it at 0.45, and do some flipping. But again, you have to remember that there are royalties, there are fees. So with Ethereum, it's much more difficult, okay? So again, I do not participate very much in the Solana NFT ecosystem, but I do understand blockchain, of course, and looks like we picked up some pretty cool NFTs. So that's all we have for you in this video. Definitely browse, check out all of the other project, and let's hope that this project goes to the moon. So that's all we have for you right now. We'll see you in the next video.